In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipient on Wise, whether it's through the website or the app. This can be incredibly useful when you're setting up to make payments or transfers quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and ensure you have each step clarified for a smooth experience. First, you'll want to navigate to the Recipients section. If you're on the website, simply select Recipients from the menu options available. If you're using the app, don't worry, it's just as straightforward. All you need to do is tap the Recipients tab located at the bottom of your screen. This section is where you'll be managing all your recipient information, so you'll want to become familiar with its features. Once you're in the Recipients area, the next thing you'll do is click on the Add a Recipient button. This is your entry point to add the details of the person you want to send money to. The process from here is quite intuitive, but I'll guide you through it to ensure there are no hiccups along the way. After you have clicked to add a recipient, you'll be presented with two main methods to choose from. The first is to search for your recipient on Wise. This option is terrific if you already know that the individual has a Wise account. You can enter their Wise tag, email address, or phone number. If their account is discoverable, it should pop up in your search results, making for a quick and seamless process. On the other hand, if your recipient does not have a publicly discoverable Wise account, or if you need to send money directly to their bank, you'll want to choose the option to enter their bank details manually. This involves filling in specifics like their bank account number, which is equally efficient with just a bit more manual input. Continuing on, you'll need to enter the recipient details. There are a few things to consider here. If you've searched for your recipient through Wise, ensure that you confirm the correct recipient from the list provided. If you're entering bank details instead, it's important to fill in all the necessary fields, such as the recipient's full name, the bank's name, their account number, and the routing number. These details are crucial to make sure your money ends up in the right account. Also, remember to specify whether the recipient is myself or someone else, as this clarifies the nature of the transfer for Wise's system. And with that, you've now successfully added a recipient on Wise. Whether they're a trusted contact or a new payee, you're prepped to send money swiftly without re-entering their information each time. I hope this has been clear and helpful. Thanks for joining me today, and happy transferring.